A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Each Tier Matters, the quantum dialogue between humanity and the cosmos. Ladies and gentlemen, throughout history, humanity has sought to understand its connection with the universe. Science, philosophy, and spirituality converge on a singular truth, and that is existence is interwoven with unseen forces beyond our immediate perception. Emerging studies in quantum mechanics, neurobiology, and energy fields suggest that human consciousness is not isolated but interacts with the vast cosmic framework. Within this intricate system, emotions serve as a bridge, and among them, tears hold a profound significance. Each tear shed in pain, longing, or in distress is not merely a biological response. It is an appeal to the cosmos, a quantum level transmission seeking resonance and response. Let us understand the science of human energy and the cosmic communication a bit deeper. The human brain operates as an advanced bioelectric processor powered by 5 energy dynamos: physical, mental, emotional, aspirational, and spiritual. Among these, the emotional dynamo plays a critical role in modulating the entire energy system. Neuroscience identifies the limbic system as the seat of emotions, governing responses that influence human well-being. When emotions reach a threshold, they trigger tears, biochemically unique from basal or reflex tears and rich in proteins, hormones, and endorphins that serve a deeper function beyond lubrication or protection. Studies in neurobiology reveal that emotional tears contain leucoenkephalin, a natural painkiller, and oxytocin, a hormone associated with bonding and stress relief. The act of shedding emotional tears stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting a state of physiological balance and reinforcing the idea that the body possesses innate mechanisms to seek healing. Additionally, emotional tears have been shown to regulate cortisol levels, mitigating the effects of prolonged stress. This biochemical release does not merely act on the human body alone, but resonates energetically, influencing the human energy grid and, by extension, the quantum network of the cosmos. At a quantum level, every thought and emotional surge generates energy fluctuations, releasing photons, which are minute particles of light associated with bioelectromagnetic fields. These energy emissions interact with the quantum fabric of the cosmos, establishing an imperceptible yet fundamental dialogue. The universe, designed with an intrinsic mechanism to receive and to process such transmissions, responds in ways beyond human comprehension. Let us look at how the cosmos responds. Scientific and metaphysical explorations suggest that the universe operates on a principle of interconnected energy systems. Studies on quantum entanglement illustrate that particles, even when separated by vast distances, remain intrinsically linked, a phenomena that echoes how human emotions can influence and be influenced by larger cosmic forces. When deep emotions translate into tears, they form an energetic appeal, sending ripples through the cosmic medium. The response from the cosmos may manifest in subtle or unexpected ways through intuitive insights, synchronous events, or the activation of unseen forces that align circumstances towards resolution. However, the interpretation of these responses depends on the receptivity of the human energy grid. If an individual is attuned, the feedback is recognized. If not, the response may go unnoticed, yet it remains ever present. What's the way forward? Understanding and harnessing the cosmic dialogue is essential. To maintain an open channel of communication with the universe, the human system must remain in a state of alignment. Practices such as meditation, mindfulness, and emotional regulation enhance this attunement, allowing individuals to perceive and decode cosmic responses more effectively. Scientific disciplines exploring neuroplasticity and biofield energy suggest that with conscious effort, the brain and body can optimize their receptivity to these subtle yet significant interactions. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the cosmos is not indifferent. It listens, records, and responds to every emotional appeal. The Master Creator has designed an infallible system, one where no prayer goes unheard, no tear unseen. Science reaffirms what human faith has long believed. Emotions, particularly in their purest form, are powerful catalysts of transformation, influencing both our inner and our outer worlds. Though responses may not always align with human expectation, they are mobilized in ways that serve a higher order, often beyond the realm of human cognition. Humanity is never alone. The invisible threads of existence weave every appeal, every longing into the vast cosmic fabric, ensuring that no genuine call for help remains unanswered. Every heartfelt tear, infused with sincerity, carries an energy that ripples through the universe, summoning unseen forces to respond. Trust, faith, and a receptive mind are the keys to deciphering these answers. For in this grand cosmic dialogue, each tear truly matters, and each genuine appeal resonates across the universe, invoking the response it seeks in its destined form. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.